Welcome to a Black Duck Software 60-second webinar. This is a summary of a webinar with Black Duck Software and SAP on using open source software as a strategic business enabler, with an in-depth case study of how SAP uses open source. You'll hear from the key people at SAP responsible for their open source policy and governance process. We'll start with the context of how open source is used in this multi-source development world that we live in today, and get an in-depth overview of SAP, the world's leading provider of business software with over 97,000 customers in 120 countries, and how they take advantage of open source as a strategic business enabler. How their open source policy and embracing of open source evolved from why open source to why not. You'll get an in-depth review of their open source governance process and how they manage it with Black Duck, as well as a summary of the key takeaways and benefits, including improved efficiency and developer productivity. This has been a 60-second webinar with Black Duck Software. Go to the URL www.blackducksoftware.com/60second to get the slides and the full recording of the webinar.